In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search images using Telegram bot. By the end, you'll be able to pull up relevant images right inside Telegram and share them in just a couple of taps without leaving your chat. All you need is the Telegram app and an internet connection. Start by opening any chat or group where you want to use this feature. You can choose a private conversation, a small group, or even your own saved messages if you'd like to practice without sending anything to others. Once the chat is open, look for the message bar at the bottom of the screen, the same place you normally type your messages. Make sure your keyboard is active and the cursor is blinking so you are ready to type. Now, in the message bar, type at pick, then add a space and enter your keywords. For example, you could type at pick sunset to look for sunset images. Keep your keywords simple and specific to help the bot find better matches. You can try a single word like sunset, or combine a couple of words such as sunset beach or city skyline at night. If the results feel too broad, add another descriptive word. If they're too narrow, remove one. After you type your keywords, give it a moment to fetch results. You should start to see image options appear right in the chat interface. If nothing shows up, double-check your spelling. Make sure you've included the @pick text and confirm your connection is stable. When the images appear, you can select the one you like and send it immediately. Tap on a result to attach it to the message field. If Telegram shows a preview, take a quick look to confirm it's what you want. You can add a short caption if it helps your message make sense. When you are ready, press send. In group chats, remember that anything you send is visible to everyone. So it's a good idea to confirm your selection before tapping that final button. If you change your mind, just back out and try a different keyword or pick another image from the list. A few quick tips as you go. Use clear, descriptive terms for better results. Be mindful of chat rules in groups, and if you are not seeing anything, try updating your app or switching networks. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.